Hey there, gorgeous! Welcome to our deep dive into the world of content strategy. If you've ever felt lost or overwhelmed by the sheer volume of content you need to create, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to break it all down and show you why having a solid content strategy is not just a nice to have, but an absolute must for your success. Ever feel like you're just throwing spaghetti at the wall when it comes to your content, trying out different things, hoping something sticks? It's a common feeling, and trust me, you're not alone. Many content creators and marketers start out this way, but it's not sustainable in the long run. You're not alone. It can feel overwhelming, right? The constant pressure to produce, the endless brainstorming sessions, and the nagging feeling that your efforts might not be paying off. It's enough to make anyone feel stressed and burnt out. That's where a content strategy comes in. Imagine having a clear plan that guides your every move, a blueprint that takes the guesswork out of content creation. It's like having a GPS for your content journey, ensuring you're always on the right path. Think of it as your roadmap to content marketing success. With a well-thought-out strategy, you can map out your content calendar, align your efforts with your business goals, and ensure that every piece of content you create serves a purpose. It's your guide, your BFF, your secret weapon. A content strategy helps you stay organized, focused, and motivated. It's like having a trusted friend by your side, cheering you on and keeping you accountable. Without a strategy, you're just creating content for the sake of it. No bueno. You might find yourself wasting time on content that doesn't resonate with your audience or support your goals. It's like driving without a destination in mind. You're just going in circles. A strategy helps you get clear on your goals, your audience, and what you want to achieve. It allows you to create content that speaks directly to your target audience, addresses their pain points, and provides real value. Plus, it helps you measure your success and make data-driven decisions. So, are you ready to ditch the overwhelm and step into your power as a content queen or king? Let's do this! With a solid content strategy, you'll not only create amazing content, but also build a loyal audience, drive engagement, and achieve your business goals. It's time to take control and make your content work for you. Let's get started. Content planning doesn't have to be scary, promise. It might seem overwhelming at first, but with a structured approach, it can actually be quite manageable and even fun. Think of it as a roadmap for your creative journey. By planning ahead, you can ensure that your content is not only consistent, but also engaging and relevant to your audience. It's simply deciding what you're going to create and when. This means setting up a content calendar where you can map out your ideas for the weeks or months ahead. A well-organized calendar helps you stay on track and ensures that you never run out of ideas. Plus, it allows you to see the bigger picture and make sure your content aligns with your overall strategy. Start by understanding your audience. Who are they? What are their interests, needs, and preferences? Conducting thorough research and analyzing data can provide valuable insights into your audience's behavior. This information is crucial because it helps you create content that truly resonates with them. What are their pain points? Identifying the challenges and problems your audience faces is key to creating content that offers real value. When you address their pain points, you build trust and establish your brand as a helpful resource. What keeps them up at night? Understanding the deeper concerns and anxieties of your audience allows you to create content that speaks directly to their emotions. This emotional connection can be incredibly powerful in building a loyal following. Once you know your audience, you can start brainstorming content ideas that will resonate with them. Gather your team and have a brainstorming session where everyone can contribute ideas. The more diverse the perspectives, the richer your content will be. Think blog posts, videos, social media updates, the works. Diversifying your content types keeps your audience engaged and caters to different preferences. Some people might prefer reading a detailed blog post, while others might enjoy watching a quick video or scrolling through social media updates. Don't forget to choose topics that align with your business goals. Your content should not only be interesting to your audience, but also serve your business objectives. Whether it's driving traffic to your website, generating leads, or increasing brand awareness, make sure each piece of content has a clear purpose. What do you want to achieve with your content? More leads? increased brand awareness? Defining your goals helps you measure the success of your content and make necessary adjustments. Use analytics to track your performance and see what's working and what isn't. Remember, content planning is about working smarter, not harder, so let's get organized. Use tools and software to streamline your planning process, collaborate with your team, and keep everything on track. With a solid plan in place, you'll be able to create high-quality content consistently and efficiently. Happy planning! An editorial calendar is your content's new BFF. It's a visual representation of your content plan, outlining what you'll publish and when. This keeps you organized, helps you stay consistent, and ensures you never miss a beat. Trust me, your sanity will thank you. You can use a simple spreadsheet, a Google Calendar, or a fancy project management tool. Find what works best for you and stick with it. Remember to schedule time for content creation, promotion, and analysis. It's all part of the process. Creating amazing content takes time and effort. That's why it's crucial to squeeze every drop of value from it. Repurposing content means taking what you've already created and giving it a new life on different platforms. Turn a blog post into a series of social media updates. Transform key takeaways from a webinar into an infographic. The possibilities are endless. Repurposing content saves you time and energy while ensuring your message reaches a wider audience. Talk about a win-win. Trends come and go, but your brand should always stay true to itself. Leveraging trends can be a powerful way to connect with your audience and stay relevant, but only if it feels authentic to your brand. Don't jump on every bandwagon that comes along. Instead, be selective and choose trends that align with your values and resonate with your target market. Remember, authenticity builds trust, and trust leads to loyal customers, so keep it real. Your brand voice is what makes you unique and sets you apart from the competition. It's the distinct personality that comes through in your communication, making your brand recognizable and relatable. Think of it as the human element of your brand, the way you would speak if your brand were a person. It's your tone, your style, your personality shining through your content. Whether it's a blog post, a social media update, or an email newsletter, your brand voice should be consistent and unmistakable. This consistency helps build trust and loyalty among your audience, and it's absolutely crucial for connecting with your audience on a deeper level. Define your brand voice by considering your core values, your mission, and the emotions you want to evoke in your audience. Are you aiming to inspire, to educate, or to entertain? Are you playful and humorous, informative and educational, sophisticated and elegant? Your brand voice should reflect your brand's personality and resonate with your target audience. It's about being authentic and true to who you are as a brand. Once you know your voice, infuse it into everything you create. Consistency is key. From your website copy to your social media posts, every piece of content should reflect your brand voice. This not only helps in creating a cohesive brand image, but also makes your brand more memorable. Remember, people buy from people they know, like, and trust. Your brand voice plays a significant role in building that trust. When your audience feels like they know you, they are more likely to engage with your content and become loyal customers. And that all starts with being authentically you. Authenticity is the cornerstone of a strong brand voice. When you are true to your brand's values and personality, it shows in your communication and helps you build a genuine connection with your audience. Creating a content strategy isn't a set-it-and-forget-it kind of deal. It's about constantly learning, adapting, and evolving. Track your results to see what's working and what's not. Analyze your website traffic, social media engagement, and email open rates. Don't be afraid to experiment and make adjustments along the way. Your content strategy should be a living, breathing document that grows with your business. Remember, what worked yesterday might not work tomorrow. So stay curious, stay open, and keep learning. Feeling overwhelmed? Don't worry, you've got this. There are tons of amazing resources available to help you create killer content. Check out websites like Canva for easy-peasy graphic design, explore tools like Grammarly for flawless writing, and dive into platforms like BuzzSumo for content ideation and trend analysis. Remember, you don't have to reinvent the wheel. There's a whole community of content creators out there ready to support you. Congratulations, gorgeous! You're now equipped with the knowledge and tools to craft a winning content strategy. Remember, consistency is queen or king. Create high-quality content that your audience loves and watch your business soar. Now go out there and make some magic happen.